Well, Jones College is trying to prepare our students for the workforce, whatever career they choose to follow. Now, we are working to implement anything that will help our faculty, our students, our staff to accomplish our mission here.
This semester, we were lucky to be able to have the new webcams in each of our classrooms. So every class, I am able to record myself so that I can post those lectures into my Canvas shell, and the students are able to go back and watch those lectures. If I had an athlete that had to be out, so they are able to go back in and watch that lecture, and they're still able to keep up in class.
I'm a freshman at Jones College. I've had to miss classes for practice before, and so it's really easy when I've missed the class and I can go back and I can just click the video, and it felt like I was in the classroom. I could see all of her notes that she had on the smartboard.
It's been so easy. It's just made it so much easier as an instructor so that I'm able to record everything and have it just with the touch of a button. At Jones College, the instruction that we want to give is the best quality possible. And with this technology, we are able to incorporate that into our everyday activities. Using the webcams and using this amazing ability to record everything that I say has helped to make sure that my students really do get the best quality education that they possibly can.
We've always tried to use technologies in the classroom that helps to make the student experience the best. Once we had the contract signed with Howard Technologies, we're able to work with them. So, we did this in a short amount of time. Their resources were willing to come in and work to help meet our deadline, and so Howard Technology provided the services that we needed in order to get this installed.